CESLA cement plant is located in the northwest of Russia, near St. Petersburg, and well footprinted in this 7 million populated region, being the second largest regional cement producer.
In addition to successful product quality control, our plant pays special attention to the environment. Nowadays, Russian legislation does not require any limitation on carbon print for cement production. Nevertheless, being a face of HeidelbergCement in Russia Northwest, the CESLA plant shares sustainable development values and takes significant efforts on reducing CO2 emissions of the plant in compliance with Group CO2 Roadmap.
This required intensive efforts of the entire plant team. Coordination between sales, lab, production, and logistics was set literally every day, so clients have not ever experienced quality problems nor supply disruptions. Having such practice kept in 5 years, CESLA turned the sales portfolio to have 70% of low-carbon cements versus 40% just 5 years ago.
The next step of greenification of CESLA's product mix was introduction of ground slag as additional cementitious product on the market. 2 months of perfect teamwork led to introduction of marketable product in June 2020, despite of all pandemic constraints, and its sales volume grows since that time up till now. As of 2020, clinker incorporation in CESLA's average product was 71% instead of 85% 5 years ago.
The latest achievement of CESLA's team in terms of carbon print reduction was changing the kiln fuel from coal to natural gas as a primary fuel since August 2020. This decreases the carbon dioxide emission by 20%, down to 675 kilograms per ton of clinker. The outcome of all these actions and achievements helped CESLA to reduce CO2 emissions down to 550 kilograms per ton of cement by the end of 2020, which is below HeidelbergCement target volume of 590 kilograms per ton. 2021 will be the year of natural gas usage at 100%, lower clinker incorporation in cements, and further development of ground slag as a marketable cementitious product. CESLA's CO2 emission for 2021 is planned at 455 kilograms per ton of cement, which is well below the value of 500 kilograms per ton set by HeidelbergCement as a target for 2030.
Russian authorities are currently developing regulatory measures about CO2 emissions reduction. However, nowadays, cements with 90% of clinker incorporation still prevail in the portfolio of Russian cement producers. Should CO2 regulations come into force in Russia, HeidelbergCement's CO2 roadmap and initiatives related to low-carbon products set in our Beyond 2020 strategy will turn into a real competitive advantage.
Therefore, we are saying with confidence, while caring about our future, we are equally serious about the future of our region, country, and the whole planet. HeidelbergCement, on the way to carbon neutrality.